To add contacts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add contacts on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the contact section. Now here in this page, you just have to tap on the option labeled as new contact. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply put the phone number of the person that you want to add. And here, once you have added the phone number of that person, simply put their name. I will refer this number as Mike, and here once you're done with that, you can simply tap on save. And that's it. That's how you can save the contact on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.